Hey, I'm Alex with KEH, and this is a first look at the brand new Fujifilm X100VI. The X100VI has many similarities to its predecessors, including its body design, its lens design, internal ND, and of course its film emulations. So you may be asking, what's new? Well, for starters, the 40 megapixel sensor, the APS-C X-Trans CMOS 5 HR backside illuminated sensor, is a big upgrade to the series. You may even recognize it from the Fujifilm X-T5. Fujifilm has also added 4.5 stops of in-body stabilization to help photographers capture low light and long exposure photography handheld. This camera is also no slouch in the video department, with 6.2K 30p, 4K 60p, and Full HD 240p available, with 10-bit options available as well. With the upgrade to the sensor, Fujifilm is also giving photographers several different long-awaited film emulations for X100 shooters. Nostalgic Negative and Reala both make an appearance and add more variety to an already impressive list of customizable creative options. Another big thing this year for the X100VI is the addition of Frame.io camera-to-cloud connection. All you have to do is establish a connection with the internet, authenticate with Frame.io, and then boom, all of your photos and video are uploaded to the cloud right as you take them. So if you're looking to upgrade, head over to KEH.com and see how you can trade up to the X100VI today.